Welcome back to another Take Easy tips and tricks. In this video, you'll learn a layer hack to facilitate your measurement process. Have you ever experienced this issue during the measurement? In this case, we're measuring the girls' changing room. As you can see, the floor area of the basin is not included. Drawing obstructions like this is a very common issue. In Take Easy, you can control drawing layers using these functions. Here in the Layer Manager panel, you can find Show Selected CAD Entity, Hide Selected CAD Entity, and Restore Hidden CAD Entity. Now, let's use Hide Selected CAD Entity to hide the sanitary ware before measuring the area. Now that is gone, let's measure the area again. Try it now. I'll see you next time.